Hello friends, we will discuss next question. 51st question. Pore size of membrane filter used in test for sterility options are 0.54, not greater than 0.45, not greater than 0.25, 0.75 micrometer. Here answer not greater than 0.45 micrometer. Option B. The pore size should be 0.22 to 0.45 micrometer or 150 micrometer. Next question 52. The guidelines for inclusions or non-inclusion of drugs in the hospital formulary are framed by correct answer is Pharmacy and Therapeutic Committee. Pharmacy and Therapeutic Committee is have inclusion or non-inclusion of drugs in the hospital formulary. Next, computer-based system of the US National Library Medicine NLM that allows rapid access to store biomedical information. Correct answer Medlar. 54. New England Journal of Medicine is which type of drug information resource? This journal option A, primary source. Journal is coming under primary source. 55. Thermolabile powders are sterilized by answer ethylene oxide gas. Ethylene oxide is thermolabile powders are sterilized by ethylene oxide. 56. The following are statements of unit dose systems are correct. First statement, patients receives improved service round the clock and charged for only administered dose. Correct. Allowing nurses more time for direct patient care. Correct. Medication errors are decreased. Correct. Eliminate wastages of drug and pilferage. So correct answer is all the above. Next, all of the following statement about parenteral product are true except the drug product is easier to remove from vials than ampules. Correct. Ampules are intended for multiple use. It's wrong. Large volume parenterals are infusion solution. Correct. So 1 and 3 are correct. Option C is the answer. Next question. In ABC analysis of inventory control, A-class items are about dash of the total items in number and nearly 15% of the annual consumption value of the item. Correct answer 15% and 80%. Option A. Next question 59. Teratogenic drugs are except options stilbestrol, warfarin, phenytoin, dicyclomine. Except, so dicyclomine is not teratogenic. Option D is the correct answer. Next 60th question. The International Drug Monitoring Center is at answer. Correct answer is option A, Uppsala, Sweden. The International Drug Monitoring Center, Uppsala. Okay. Thank you for watching. Next question we will discuss next video. Thank you. Please subscribe my channel. Thank you for watching.